Hi there, welcome to today's video. I will be showing you how to make a single crochet. This is Karen from Karenmeowcrochet if you're new here, and if you're returning, thank you for watching my videos and welcome back. I will be using a 5mm hook, and this is chenille yarn I got from Hobby. So to begin making your single crochet stitch, we will find our first stitch of the next round, and that will be this stitch right over here, this one here. So we will insert our hook into that first stitch with our hook facing down. So now we have 3 loops on our hook. This is 1, and then the 2 that we went through. Then we will go under the working yarn, yarn over the first 2 stitches, and now you see we have 2 loops on our hook. Now we're going to put our hook under the working yarn, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops. And this is the stitch you have just created, single crochet. So I like adding a stitch marker to mark the first stitch of the round. There we go. And as a reminder, you want to have the yarn that you're pulling to be facing you. So when you're pulling it, you can see that this yarn that is moving is facing you. So that is the correct way to have the yarn on your hook, versus if you were to put the back part at the front, then you can see that the working yarn is being pulled behind the hook, and that is the incorrect way to do it. Let's make some more single crochet stitches. And there you have it. That is how you make a single crochet stitch. If you have any questions, please leave your comment below, and I will gladly help to answer your questions. Thank you for joining in watching my video tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel for future videos and give this video a like, comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye. And just for fun, let's do some frogging together, ASMR.